Welcome to our channel www.news.co.id.
Hi there, meet with me again in News CNC channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show how to install font in Windows 10. Okay, before you choose font do you like, you can get special font in uh, 1001fonts.com or defont.com, and you can try finding in Google if in another sites have collective about fonts. Okay, for his example, I like a Metal Macabre font. This font is like metal. You can download in here, for example. Okay, and after complete, you can open folder. To install, you can just right click in here and extract to Metal Macabre. And okay, this is that you must install. If we don't know about this, we often confuse how to install this one. Okay, to install, just right click in here and click install. Okay, okay, done. How to open this font if install successful or not? You can open control panel here. Okay, if your category like this, you can view by small icons and choose font. And you can finding your font, uh, what our font name, Metal Macabre. Okay, just find with M. Okay, this is how to use this. Okay, we can using another program. For example, I will open a Corel Draw. Okay, let's make a Corel document and type the font uh, www.news.co.id, for example, and just block and select the metal. If you install successfully, that must have in this list metal. uh, that is, guys. Okay, you can see there how beautiful this font. Okay, and you can do this with your own style, for example. Okay, okay, just do like this, and you can zoom again. Okay, guys, that's all tutorial how to install font in Windows 10. Okay, don't forget to subscribe me to get new updates. Thanks for watching and hope this useful for you. Bye bye.